Hey there, fellow coders. Welcome back to our channel, Plus Coder, where we make web development a piece of cake. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss, the paragraph tag in HTML. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's start with the basics. The p tag, short for paragraph, is an essential element in HTML used to define a paragraph of text. It's perfect for organizing and structuring your content on a web page. So, let's see how it works. To create a paragraph, all we need to do is type p to open the paragraph tag, and then type our text within it. Let me show you an example. Here we have a simple paragraph with the text. This is a sample paragraph, between the opening and closing p tags. It's that easy. Now, when we load this HTML code into a browser, the paragraph will be displayed as regular text within the web page. The browser automatically adds some default styling, such as a line break before and after the paragraph, making it easy to read. But wait, there's more. The para tag also allows us to apply additional styling and attributes to our paragraphs. Let's explore a few of these options. By using the class attribute, we can assign a CSS class to our paragraph tag. Here, we've added the highlight class to our paragraph. We can then define the styling for this class in our CSS file to make it stand out. In our CSS file, we can add the following code. With this CSS code, we've set the background color of any paragraph with the highlight class to yellow. Let's see the result. And just like that, our paragraph now stands out with its vibrant yellow background. Remember, the possibilities are endless when it comes to styling your paragraphs. So, that wraps up our exploration of the para tag in HTML. It's a simple yet powerful tool for creating well-structured paragraphs on your web pages. Use it wisely, and your content will shine. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest web development tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!